Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lysol Kitchen Pro is probably one of the most essential tools for any home chef or anyone who takes pride in maintaining a spotless and hygienic kitchen environment, offering a powerful and convenient solution to tackle grease, grime, and germs that inevitably accumulate during meal preparation and cooking. This innovative product is designed to simplify your cleaning routine, ensuring that your kitchen surfaces are not only visually clean but also free from harmful bacteria, providing peace of mind for you and your family with every use. Number 5. Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray Mango and Hibiscus. Introducing Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray. It tackles tough messes with a delightful mango and hibiscus scent. This powerful formula disinfects multiple surfaces throughout your home. Keep your kitchen and bathroom sparkling clean. It effectively kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. You can trust it for a healthier home environment. Enjoy the invigorating scent of mango and hibiscus as you clean. It leaves your home smelling fresh and inviting. With a large 32 fluid ounces bottle, you have plenty of cleaner for all your needs. It's a great value for effective cleaning. What we like? This cleaner offers a refreshing scent that brightens your home. It tackles messes all around your house, from the kitchen to the bathroom. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner with a pleasant fragrance, this is a great choice for everyday use. What people say. The spray nozzle is adjustable and can be switched from a stream to a spray. It effectively cuts through grease and grime, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, making it enjoyable to use. Number 4. Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner. Introducing Lysol Kitchen Pro, your new secret weapon against kitchen messes. This powerful formula tackles grease and grime with ease, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Keep your kitchen healthy and safe. Its antibacterial properties work to eliminate germs and bacteria, ensuring a hygienic environment for your family. Say goodbye to stubborn grease and food stains. This cleaner cuts through tough residues, making post-meal cleanup a breeze. Enjoy a fresh and clean scent after every use. It leaves your kitchen smelling as good as it looks. Get more cleaning power with this convenient pack of 2. You'll have plenty on hand for all your kitchen cleaning needs. What we like? This is designed specifically for the toughest kitchen messes. Its powerful antibacterial action ensures a hygienic cooking space. If you're a home cook or have a busy kitchen, this is the ideal solution for keeping it clean and germ-free. What people say. This is a great cleaner for my kitchen. It cleans grease and grime effectively. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 3. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bath surfaces. This kit provides a powerful ceramic coating for lasting protection. Achieve a stunning, mirror-like shine that revitalizes your countertops and fixtures. It enhances the natural beauty of your surfaces. Form a durable barrier that seals and protects against everyday wear and tear. Keep your surfaces looking new for longer. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and grime. This coating actively repels messes, making cleaning a breeze. Invest in the longevity of your kitchen and bath. Enjoy peace of mind with superior protection against spills and dirt. Applying this protective layer is simple and quick. Experience long-lasting results that maintain the pristine condition of your home. What we like? Achieve a brilliant shine while protecting your surfaces. This coating actively repels future stains and grime, making cleaning easier. If you want a long-lasting protective barrier that keeps your kitchen and bath looking pristine with minimal effort, consider this option. What people say. It is a great cleaner and disinfectant. It is a great cleaner and disinfectant. Number 2. Febreze Air Mist Southern Lilac Mornings 8.8 ounces, 3-pack. Tired of lingering odors? Introducing a revolutionary way to refresh your home. Experience a burst of delightful fragrance that tackles smells head-on. Transport yourself to a serene morning with our Southern Lilac Morning Scent. It's a gentle, inviting aroma that transforms any room. Whether it's the living room, bathroom, or kitchen, this spray is designed to freshen every corner. Enjoy a consistently pleasant atmosphere throughout your home. Don't just mask odors, eliminate them. Our advanced formula actively fights and neutralizes unwanted smells, leaving behind only freshness. The easy-to-use aerosol can ensure a fine mist for optimal coverage. It's a simple yet effective solution for a cleaner-smelling space. This pack of 3 ensures you're always ready to refresh. Keep your home smelling wonderful for longer with this convenient bundle. What we like. Instantly refresh your living spaces with a delightful floral scent. It effectively neutralizes odors, leaving behind a clean and inviting atmosphere. If you want to quickly eliminate unwanted smells and add a touch of fragrance to your home, this is perfect for any room. What people say. It cuts through grease and grime effectively, leaving surfaces clean and shiny. The spray nozzle provides a fine mist that covers surfaces evenly without dripping. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, making kitchen cleaning a more enjoyable experience. Number 1. Lysol Power Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. Tackle tough bathroom messes with our powerful foaming cleaner. Its advanced formula lifts away soap, scum and grime with ease. This versatile cleaner is perfect for your shower, bathtub, and sink. It effectively cleans and disinfects all your bathroom surfaces. Keep your home healthy by eliminating 99.9% of common germs and bacteria. It provides a powerful disinfecting clean you can trust. Enjoy a sparkling clean without harsh chemicals. Our formula is bleach-free, making it a safer choice for your family and surfaces. Achieve a brilliant shine with minimal effort. This spray makes cleaning quick and easy, leaving your bathroom looking and feeling fresh. Get more cleaning power with our generous 32-ounce bottle. It's designed to handle all your bathroom cleaning needs. What we like. Experience powerful cleaning with its thick foaming action. This formula effectively disinfects without the harshness of bleach. If you need a strong bathroom cleaner that tackles soap, scum and germs while being gentle on surfaces, this is the one to get. What people say. The Kitchen Pro is a great product that works well. I love the design of the Kitchen Pro. It is very sleek and modern. The functionality of the Kitchen Pro is amazing. It has so many features that make my life easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.